Hello everyone, this week I will show you how to do the Hollywood wave as per requested. So without further ado, let's get started. And we can section down here. I'm going to split in the middle and then take a square section. And I'm taking the 25mm hair iron. And I'm going in like this. I'm twisting and twisting on the hair. Let it cook. As you can see, it's spiraling down. I'm going to brush these out later. And if the ends weren't quite done yet, you can always go in and sort of give them the little heat. One thing to keep in mind about Hollywood wave is you're going to want to curl everything towards the same direction so that when we brush them out, we can kind of see the ridges and they can connect together. I know in the Western world, we call this Hollywood wave, but in Korea, we would call this simply twisting an S-curl. And twist, and twist, and twist. Notice how I'm twisting roughly on the same plane so that the ridges would be even. It's essentially the same thing throughout, so I'm going to go ahead and speed through. And that's how you do a Hollywood wave. Now, a couple things that I want to point out. This is more of a romantic brushed out version, like so. So you can still see the ridges, but they're not too harsh, nor are they splitting and showing a lot more texture. There's a way to do that. You can start by using a lot of product for each section as you're working up if you want to have that really strong ridge look. You could also add some variations, obviously, customize it for the client. You could have some more volume on the top if the client wants that. Instead of focusing on getting all the ridges to line up exactly, you could actually do a different variation for the twist S waves where all the curls could move forward or move backward, or you can mix it up. For this particular look, we only did it one way. And another way that you could do is you could flip the hair panel and then twist it that way, and that could create a different look as well. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time with more video. Bye!